Stuck with Chrome not opening links? Don't worry, we've got your back. First, check your internet connection. Simple, but it matters. Make sure you can access other websites. Next, ensure Chrome is set as your default browser. Sometimes it's the little things. Still stuck? Try reopening Chrome or clearing the cache and cookies. Just type Chrome/settings, privacy and security, clear browser data, and clear away. Check for updates too. Visit Chrome/settings help and ensure you're running the latest version. If the issue vanishes in incognito mode, Ctrl+Shift+N, it might be an extension problem. Disable extensions one by one at Chrome/extensions to find the culprit. No luck? Try browsing as a guest or reset Chrome to default settings at Chrome/settings reset. For a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome. It's drastic, but it works. If nothing helps, check your antivirus or firewall settings, or make sure Chrome is your default browser in Windows settings. Tech issues can be a pain, but with these steps, you'll be back to smooth browsing in no time.